Hello, hello, hello. We are here doing a commercial facility. We're doing a church, actually. We are doing a hot water extraction method. You can see we already did a rotary. There's a special enzymatic mixture that we use. There's the rotary. You can go aggressive on this, so we went aggressive on the rotary, and it kind of loosened up all the soil that was here for years and years and years. And you can see now we're going over with a hot water extractions with the steam wand. Real like deodorizers, especially when you're doing churches and daycare facilities. You know, you have incontinence problems, stuff like that. So if you clean it, then it makes it smell worse. So we're deodorizing as we clean it, but the hot water is very hot. I don't know what it is, maybe 170 degrees coming out of there, and it's really on the town with that soil. But you can see the difference. This has been already cleaned, and this area is not clean yet, but rotary. So if you need any residential or commercial hard or soft surfaces cleaned and restored, please give us a call. www.naves Cleaning Service. And my cell phone number direct is 610-405-2147. Give us a call for all your commercial or residential hard and surface needs to be clean and restore. That way you don't have to replace it. This is our beast truck mount that we're using today on this particular job. Check us out, give us a call. Let us help you out.